Hi everyone, my name is Vijay Kumar Valaboju. Welcome to DevSecOps 2024 event. I'm going to talk about reinforcement learning in AI-driven assessment and how this enhances continuous learning and accessibility. Let's get started. Traditional education has long been criticized for its rigidity, offering a one-size-fits-all approach that often falls short in meeting the unique needs of every learner. This lack of flexibility and personalization can limit engagement and learning outcomes. This is where reinforcement learning, or RL, steps in as a game changer. RL brings adaptability to education by personalizing content and assessment in real time, responding to each learner's pace, preferences, and progress. Let's look at some of the key contributions RL makes to education. All right. First is it enables dynamic learning tailored to individuals. What it means is each learner gets a custom experience that evolves based on their interactions and performance. Second, it provides continuous feedback. Instead of waiting for traditional assessment cycles, learners can receive immediate insights, helping them develop skills more effectively and efficiently. And third, RL optimizes knowledge retention over time by reinforcing the right concepts at right intervals. This approach ensures that learning isn't just short-term but meaningful and long-lasting. In short, RL doesn't just enhance learning, it transforms it, making it more engaging, effective, and tailored to individual needs. Let's look at how RL works. RL, explore in context of education, RL operates on a set of core concepts that work together seamlessly to personalize the learning experience. Let me break it down for you, all right? First, there is an agent. This is an AI system that continuously analyzes the learner's performance, keeping track of their progress, and identifies the areas of improvement. Next, we have the environment. Think of this as learners' knowledge state and their individual preferences, essentially. The current understanding and context that system operates within, right? This is the environment we're talking about. Then there are actions. These are specific adjustments the AI makes, such as modifying the content, tailoring the assessment, or even reshaping the entire learning path to suit to the learner's needs. Now, finally, the rewards. This is where positive reinforcement comes into play. The system rewards progress by encouraging the learner through well-timed feedback and recognition. Now, this helps maintain the motivation and focus for a learner. So how does this look into action, right? Here is a quick example. Now, reinforcement learning system observes how a learner interacts with the content. Now, based on this interaction, it dynamically adjusts and the feedback and challenges the learner receives. If learner struggles, the system simplifies the material or offer hints. If they excel, it introduces more complex challenges to keep them engaged. Now, this real-time adaptability not only enhances the learner's experience, but ensures it evolves alongside learners' progress. It's a dynamic process designed to empower learners and optimize outcomes. Okay, let's look into the key features of RL-based adaptive learning. Reinforcement learning-based adaptive learning systems bring a range of powerful features. This actually makes the education more engaging, personalized, and effective. Let's explore some of them, right? First, we have dynamic curriculum adjustment. This feature tracks a learner's performance and adjusts the content accordingly. For example, it strengthens weak areas by revisiting foundational topics while simultaneously advancing topics where the learner is already strong. Now, this ensures that no time is wasted on redundant material. Right? Next is real-time difficulty adjustment. The system modifies difficulty of questions based on how the learner responds. Right? If a learner struggles, the questions become easier or to build confidence. If they excel, the system challenges them with more harder questions to keep them engaged. And then we have personalized feedback. Now, this is unlike generic responses. This system provides detailed explanations for incorrect answers while helping learners understand their mistakes and grow from them. Another exciting feature is gamification element. Learners earn rewards like badges, points, or levels for their progress, which boosts engagement and motivation, but turning a learning into a more enjoyable and a rewarding experience. And then finally, we have cognitive load management. And what this is crucial for preventing burnout. By alternating between different types of tasks and simultaneously strategically introducing breaks, the system ensures that learner remain focused and don't feel overwhelmed. Together, all these features make RL-based adaptive learning systems not just a tool for education, but a transformative experience that aligns with individual needs and goals. Let's move on. Okay, let's look at some real-world applications, right? Reinforcement learning has far-reaching applications across various learning domains. Here are a few examples that I've covered in here, right? In higher education, reinforcement learning enables adaptive exams. These exams dynamically adjust their difficulty, ensuring evaluation are both fair and accurate. This is tailored to each student's progress and abilities. And when it comes to professional certifications, right? Professional certifications, RL focuses on weak areas during exam preparation. By prioritizing these topics, it ensures efficient learning and a focused learning, which actually maximizes the chances of success. When it comes to corporate training, in corporate training, RL aligns learning modules with the organizational goals, right? This is the most common challenging part when it comes to a corporate training part. Most of the times, things don't align with the organizational goals and they try to deviate, which actually makes the people or the actual learners deviate from the real organizational goal and move on to something else and further decrease in the engagement or getting the staying relevant to what is important for the organization, and that way remain productive. Now, finally, in language learning, RL uses adaptive difficulty to help learners master grammar and vocabulary. It keeps challenges at just the right level to maintain engagement and promote steady progress. Across all these areas, RL personalizes learning experiences, making them smarter, more effective, deeply aligned with individual or organizational needs. Let's move on. I've covered some case studies in here. Right. Reinforcement learning is transforming learning platforms by personalizing the experience across different domains. Some of the examples are like math learning platform. Let's take this as an example. Here, a system tracks the learner's progress in areas like algebra. It provides advanced problems to build on their strengths while offering extra practice in weaker areas to ensure balanced growth. Professional certification prep. RL focuses assessments on challenging topics such as security protocols, helping learners overcome specific hurdles. It also introduces questions from a variety of domains to maintain a well-rounded preparation. When it comes to language learning platforms, to improve skills like writing, the system rewards practice in weaker areas while maintaining engagement through gamification and the dynamic challenges. By adapting to these needs of each learner, these platforms make learning targeted, engaging, and highly effective. Moving further, benefits of RL in AI-driven assessment. Reinforcement learning in AI-driven assessment offers numerous benefits that significantly enhance the learning experience. If we break it down, these are some of the things I have brought it down here. Personalized learning paths. Now, the system adapts content to meet the unique need of each learner. This ensures more effective and targeted outcomes. Next is increased engagement, right? Now, when we talk about features like gamification and timely feedback, this keeps learner motivated and actively involved in their learning journey. knowledge retention. Now, by using spaced, repetitive techniques, RL ensures that learners retain knowledge over long term rather than just the short-term assessments, right? This how it increases the knowledge retention. Efficient skill development. Now, RL focuses on improving weaker areas while reinforcing strengths, right? Now, this helps learners develop skills in a well-rounded and efficient manner. Accessibility. When it comes to accessibility, these systems are designed for flexibility, enabling learning anytime and anywhere. This is especially valuable today in a fast-paced and a remote learning environment. Right. Together, these benefits make RL-based systems a game changer in education, promoting deeper learning and improved outcomes for all types of learners. All right. Let's look at some challenges and limitations. Under the big bias. Now, the biggest challenge, I've listed down some of the biggest challenges. Let's be honest, with any system, there will also be some certain challenges and limitations, right? And I've listed a few, right? The top ones are like algorithmic bias. RL systems must ensure fairness across diverse learners, right? And then complexity of human learning. Human learning is inherently complex. Modeling individual learning path is going to be challenging. It's not going to be an easy thing, right? Data privacy and security. Now, this one is another topmost challenge. Protecting learner data. It is crucial for trust and adoption, right? Scalability. Now, scaling RL for a larger, diverse user group needs a robust infrastructure. Right. Moving forward, future directions. For future directions, I have listed down a few of them. Integration with advanced AI. Now, combine RL and NLP and computer vision for enhanced interactivity. This increases the engagement and this enhances the interactivity between the RL-based system and the learner. That way, this is going to help the learners. Improved algorithms. We have to evolve and keep on evolving from where we are to a future state. So whatever algorithms that we have to improve on top of it. This focus on a bias-free, interpretable, and scalable RL system, right? With the focus on these areas. Global reach. The bigger the reach, the better the systems are become, right? Now, extend adaptive learning to underserved communities. Basically, these are the communities that hardly get access to the newest technologies and stuff. So again, calling this out upfront can help provide a better future direction for this RL-based system. Long-term studies assess impact on learning outcomes and keep on improving from there, right? Assess the impact and then measure the professional success over time, and then keep on improving and repeat this process over and over again to make the system better and better for the future periods. With that, I'll talk about the conclusion part. Now, RL is in AI-driven system is revolutionizing the education and professional development landscape. By integrating dynamic, adaptive, and personalized learning systems, RL enables learners to achieve their goals more efficiently and effectively. Now, these systems continuously adjust learning path based on individual performances. This ensures optimal engagement, knowledge retention, and skill acquisition. The flexibility offered by RL-driven platforms caters to diverse learners, making education more accessible and tailored to their unique needs. The transformative power of RL lies in its ability to provide real-time feedback, optimize long-term learning trajectories, and foster motivation through gamification. From K-12 classrooms to professional certification to corporate training, RL is reshaping how education is delivered. This by ensuring learners are prepared for increasingly complex and competitive work. Thank you, everyone.